Hey guys, welcome to Linux Point. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure MySQL server on Ubuntu 22.10. First we're going to see what is MySQL. MySQL is the world's most popular open source database. According to DB Engine's, MySQL ranks as the second most popular database. Behind Oracle database, MySQL powers many of the most accessed applications including Facebook, Twitter, Netflix, Uber, Airbnb, Sophie and Booking.com. Let's see the installation steps. Open the terminal. Now I'm going to update the system. Use the following command. Update is completed. Now I'm going to install MySQL server. Use the following command. Press enter to continue. Give yes here. The installation is completed. Now I'm going to start the MySQL service with the following command. And then I'm going to enable the service. Now I'm going to check the MySQL service status. MySQL is now active. Then log into the MySQL. Then run the order user command to change the root user authentication method to ones that the uses a password. Use this following command. Then exit from the cell. Once the security script completed, you can then reopen MySQL and change the root user's authentication method back to the default app security. In this app jacket, to authenticate as the root MySQL user using a password, run this command. Press enter. Then exit from the cell. After, log into the MySQL via root user password. Enter your password. Here I am going to create the database. Use the following command. My database name is Linux Point. Database created. Now I am going to switch over the database. Use the following steps. unknown database I think this command is gone. Okay. Okay, database now changed. This is the right command to change database. Now show the database. See here, this is our LTS database. My MySQL server setup process has been completed. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, please subscribe and share this video. We will see the next video. Thank you so much.